Hello everyone, welcome to the fire pit. So I can show you now. I'm going to take this piece of 1-inch black pipe, put it in the ground right about there. Then what's going to happen is this will slide inside and hang over the fire. And then we'll hang our grill from that and be able to barbecue. So, time to dig a hole. Basically, I'm gonna just dig down a little bit, not much. Lots of roots and stuff here anyway, so I'm gonna dig down, dig a small hole, and then I'm gonna pound that pipe into the ground and then cover the top of it with cement. So shouldn't be too bad. We got the Rosie dog. Hi, Rose. So that should work pretty good. So I know you gotta mix it in a bucket and whatever. Don't matter, this is Quikrete. I'm dumping it in the hole and we're gonna mix up some of it. We'll throw some water in there. I'm gonna pack this down so it stays nice and tight. But Quikrete's super easy. You almost need to do nothing with it. Just get some water on there and mix it up and it'll set up pretty much anywhere. The nice thing about this stuff. Alrighty, so obviously that's gotta dry. We'll come back to all this in a little bit. This stuff, Quikrete, is called Quikrete because it dries quick. So might be tomorrow, but I'm going to try and do it later this afternoon. We'll see if we get rain. But yeah, on to the next project, guys. Thanks for coming by and stay tuned for more.